2014 Toyota RAV4 air filter and cabin filter replacement. We're going to have our hood popped. Here's where your air filter is. And real quick, this is a RAV4. It's the LE edition with the 2.5 2014. So that being said, hood's open. You're going to come over here to this air box. This is where your air filter is. We're going to push off these clips right here like that. And then on the back there are these little plastic tabs that are in these little holes. So what you want to do is lift the front of this up and then just kind of pull it outwards so those tabs will come out. And then this will be kind of loose enough to where you could reach in there with your other hand and get the air filter out. And just kind of slide it out here like that. Okay, got that. Now I got a Toyota OEM filter. Here's the part number. I'll link it in the description in the comments so you can get one of these. They're not too expensive. And this goes back in just the same way it came out. It's a rectangle. It only goes in really one way. So as long as you get it in, then it's good. So it'll drop in like that. Boom, bada boom. And then we'll put the bottom plastic tabs in down here. Get those, tuck those in. Be patient. Don't like rage slam them and break them. And then once those are in, you'll be able to push the front of this down and put these clips on. Alright, and then once that's done, that's it. That's how you get your air filter. Now let's move to the cabin filter. Cabin filter is behind your glove box. What you want to do is open this, clear anything out that you have in the glove box. Alright, after you get the plunger off, what you do is you come over here and you just pull this off like that. And then you can just let it hang. And then we're going to squeeze the sides of the glove box at the same time with both your hands, and then you'll lower the glove box like that. You could take this off too, it just comes right off the hinges. But if you want, you could leave it on. If you don't want to deal with putting it back on. But here's the access door. Take note, there's a spot that says up with the arrow pointing up. Your cabin filter will probably say that on it, unless it says airflow on it, which I'll talk about in a sec. But you're going to undo that tab on the right and then just pull it out from the left. Here's on the filter, it says up, and then here's our filter. Alright, pull this guy out. It's kind of dirty. And also, if you have any like leaves or any kind of pine needles or whatever drop in your blower motor, you got to get them out because it'll make noise when you have it on high. It'll make like a howling noise. Here's my cabin filter. This is a Toyota one. I'll link it in the description and in the comments. Notice it says up with the arrow. Put it in with the arrow pointing up. If you're aftermarket filter, if you get aftermarket, if it says airflow with the arrow pointing down, then put it in with the arrow pointing down. But if it just says up with the arrow up, then put it in with the up arrow. So you're going to slide it in, and then you'll put this left side in first. Left side is just a tab, and then the right side is just like a little clip lock. It should just clip into place, and then we'll put our glove box back on. Put it on the hinges here, and then you could just push it up, and it'll just kind of go in on its own right there. Then we'll take this little plunger guy and put him back on. The plunger, all it does is make it so when you open it, it opens slow. So if you break your plunger, you know, it's not the end of the world. Alright, and it should open up like that. And that's it, guys. So I hope this video helps you out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.
Guys, so I wanted to say about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot. You can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a GearmoAuto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in GearmoAuto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.
You're pretty good. Your style is